It's Rock Natural here, and I'm super excited to be filming another video. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. You don't want to miss out on any videos that I got coming out, and you just want to stay in the loop. I did like a slight wash and go today, and so I don't know if y'all can really tell, but I feel like my curls are more popping than usual. I tried some new products, so stay tuned for a video on that. Now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about some new products. I've been wanting to try her line for a while now. I follow her on Instagram. Her work is amazing, and it always seems just like her products get the work done. So I purchased a few of her products offline. And the person I'm talking about is Danessa Myricks. This is the pamphlet that came in her the package, and it just the glow is amazing. This is perfect for like editorial, which I'm kind of interested in moving towards. And so I purchased a few of her color fix products. So these work well as eyeshadow on the skin or on the lips, and so I got two of these. I got clear and rustic. I love like the just glossy eye look, and I'm going to be trying that out on myself and some of the people I'm doing makeup looks on, and I'm super excited to get the look that I've been wanting for so long. I know there's a bunch of other ways to get the look. I've tried other things as well. I'm just excited to see what this can do for me. I got a powder bronzer, and so this is a deeper color than mine just because I do work on clients with deeper skin tones, but I wanted to try it as well. So we'll see if it's too deep for me, or if like the amount that you apply on your skin is how you can determine the deepness of the color of this bronzer. Next, I got her Illuminating Veil product, and I'm super excited about this because I just want to be glowing all summer long. You know, my skin has like a natural glow, but my body, like, I just want to be out here glowing, especially in the sun, by the pool or a beach. So I did some of my makeup offline just because I wanted to really focus on her products, and so I'm going to start by finishing up my face. So I did foundation, eyebrows, under eye concealer. Now I'm going to do some contour. So for my contour, I'm going to be using Born This Way. I've been using it as one of my favorites for some time now, and I'm just going to apply a little white line, and then of course on my forehead. Like I said, I'm going to be using this in combination with the powdered bronzer today. So I just want to put a little bit of this on, so then we can really see what the color of the bronzer really is. I'm going to put my hair back using my colorful. Oh, there we go. And I'm just going to blend this out. Sorry, I'm like looking up to the side. I have my mirror over here. So I didn't do, like I said, my whole face on camera because I have multiple videos of me doing a full face of some sort, and if you want to see those videos, be sure to check out my makeup playlist, and I'll be sure to link that in the cards or in the description below. And in my most recent updated makeup video, I talked about some of the newer techniques I've been using just to blend out on myself and on my clients. Okay, now that I put on the cream contour, we're going to be using the Danessa Myricks bronzer. So like I said, this isn't deep, so we'll have to just play it by ear. So it definitely has a reddish tone to it, which I knew when I purchased. Because then it'll really bring out my clients with deeper skin tones that have more of a reddish undertone. And from the looks of it, it looks like it's a cream, but then dries matte. So it says matte bronzing and shaping cream. So I think I'm just gonna take my brush and get a little bit, ooh. Yeah, I only need a little bit of this, and get a little bit and lightly. And when I say lightly, I mean light. And then I'm just gonna take a different brush and kind of blend this out, because like I said, it's for deeper skin tones, and it's going to be the perfect shade for my darker skinned clients. Because look at this, this is obviously way too dark for me. Like, I wouldn't use a lot of this as my contour, but like I said, I also didn't buy it for me, but I wanted to just try it out with the other products to give like my first impression on the products. And so I just needed a little bit to apply on my skin. I gotta get up close now so I can really see what's going on up in here, up in here. So super easy to blend, which is awesome. Okay, now that we finished that, I think I'm gonna do the Illuminating Veil next. So for this, I'm gonna just shake it a little bit, and then I'm going to apply directly on my, oh, needs a couple pop. All right, so I think I just need the pump to, oh, I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush like this and blend this out all over so that I'm nice and glowy. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is a game changer. I've been using that a lot lately. But look at that. Wow. Oof. Your girl is about to be out here glowing. Yes. Yes. Now I'm gonna put just a little bit on my hand. Well, let me do the other side. Same effect. Yes. Yes. And then if you want even more, this is like a good base to then apply more highlight on top if you need it. But I don't even think I need it. This is just like the perfect shade, the perfect amount of glow. Look at me glowing. Okay, so I want to put a little bit on my face. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand and then tap it out on my face like this, and then blend it out. You can blend this out with your hand or a brush. So I definitely think that I'll be using a lot more of this for my body rather than, I like powder highlights on my face, or I can use this in combination with the highlighter. And it's easier to go crazy with it on your body rather than your face, unless that's like the look that you're going for. It's more of like a glow within look as well. She has other other highlighting products that I was going to try. You know, I didn't want to buy everything before actually trying something. So I got this one and wanted to see how I would feel about it, and I love it. I really do. I love it for my body, especially if I'm looking for that more intense glow, which half the time I am. And then if I want to use it on my face, I can use it in combination with the other highlight, because I like the way this looks. I just want it a little bit more poppin', if you know what I'm saying. Okay, let's not carry this on too much longer, but I wanted to try one of my color fix. I think I'm gonna try the rustic color. So this, I said, like, you can use on your eyes, on your cheeks, on your lips. I'm going to be using it on my eye, and then I'm going to be using it as a little blush. And then I'm going to be topping it off on my lips. I love products that are multi-use like this, because, like, let's say I'm doing a shoot of some sort and I don't want to carry a lot of things. Bam, I got my one product that I can cover with eyes, cheek, lips, and be done. let me grab a brush. So I'm going to be using a flat tip brush to apply a little bit of this product to my eyes. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. You don't need much. And I'm going to put this on like I would any other eyeshadow. So I kind of prepped my eyes when I was doing the rest of my face. So I just apply this on here, and ooh, look at this color. This is bomb. This is like the perfect summer shade. So this color is Rustic. And I'm just gonna apply this on my lid like this. But then I'm gonna go in with the blending brush and just buff out the edges, because I'm not gonna apply any other eye product, because I just want to see what this looks like by itself and the quality of the product. I love the consistency of it. I think it's the perfect consistency, especially if you're doing a cream eye look, and you can obviously like build on this color with powdered eyeshadow. Let me go ahead and do the other side, and then do the same thing with blending it out, the edges. What y'all think? Ooh, bam, bam, bam. Okay, now for a little blush, I'm just gonna take my brush, pat it in to the product that was on my hand, put a little bit on my cheeks. And then just kind of feather it out. Ooh, glowing, glowing. And this color is like the perfect cheek color. What y'all think? Okay, I need a little bit more for the rest of my blush and my lips. So if you ever find that you just picked up too much product, I like to just either dab it on your hand or on a paper towel, and then that way you're not left with a whole lot of product that you're trying to get off your client's face or even your own face. As you can see, I went a little overboard with that, but you just take a beauty blender and blend it out. This is a damp beauty blender, because you don't want like harsh lines. So I really just like to keep blending until face is where I want it to be. Okay, now let's take the rest of it and put it on our lip. This consistency is like the perfect consistency for every place I'm putting this right now. It's like a creamy consistency, and it's matte. Okay, so I like this lip, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use a little bit of the clear shade and put it on top to see if it gives me like a glossy effect. Please. So I did wipe off this brush with the color, even though it won't be that big of a deal because the color that's on here is the color that's already on my lips. But I'm just gonna take a little bit of the clear, put a little bit on my hand, and then pick it up and apply it on my lips. Maybe a little, oh no, I was gonna say maybe a little bit more, but in the camera it looks real pouty. That's the kind of look I'm going for, by the way. Okay, now let me take this hairband off so we can get the full effect in here. So overall, I would say that her products are very high quality, and it's definitely ones that I want to add to my kits. She has so many other products that I might be trying on her website. I know that her foundations are really good. She calls them something specific. But overall, I would give her products a 9. Just because I feel like I need to use them a few more times to really get the feel. But I wanted to do the first impression with you all online so that you can see the real effect right off the bat. This look is very summery, very fresh, very bright, just with like the colored eye, the blush, and then the pouty lips, and then my skin is glowing. We can't forget about the glowing skin. This is just like so amazing. Okay, well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If there are other lines that you want me to try that I haven't tried already, be sure to leave that down below. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be showing you so much more makeup and hair videos, so be sure to stay tuned, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!